Let's learn how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly on your device and that you have CapCut installed on your device. Next step is to open CapCut. After opening CapCut, choose the project in which you need freezing frame. In this case, I will use an old one, but you can create a new project if needed. Next step is to choose the frame we want to freeze. After choosing the frame, cut the video using Shortcut Control plus B. Now, pay attention to the top left corner of the timeline. You can see different options like Cut, Reverse and others. You need to choose option Freeze. After applying Freeze option, you will get your frame, which you can adjust now to your liking. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.